Okay, today we'll be looking at this Mann oil filter, number W917. And I got this filter at Napa Auto Parts for $10.69, but you may be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. And this filter fits your Volvo engines. Yep, your Volvo gasoline engines. So let's get started.
This is simple work. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration, and
Okay, there's really nothing on the box. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. And strangely enough, to see the day code, because you can't see it, you need a UV light. Yeah, and it comes right out at you. The day code there is, I'm not going to read all them letters. I don't think that's the day code. I think the day code is 19.08.21. So that would make it August 19th of 2021. Okay. And let's see where this baby's made. Made in Germany. It's a nitro rubber gasket. And this thing is on here really well, so I started to take it off ahead of time. Nice and thick also. Yes, this is on here really well. I'll get that on there later. But we have 4 inlet holes. See a bypass valve down below. And a metal core with holes. A lot of threads also. Yeah, it sticks up a little bit. Strange design here. Well, I say we open this baby up. See what she looks like. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 438 grams. And the base plate weighs 212 grams. Let's take a look at the base plate. Everything's nice on its base plate. It doesn't have many inlet holes though. Just these 4, but they're pretty big. A lot of grooves. So this is all nice. And anti-drain back valve, which I'm assuming this is silicone, because it's got a nice spring to it. Maybe you can see this oil filter has a lot of oil in it. So they put oil in, I guess, in here so you can, so it doesn't rust. You can see how shiny it is. It's like all oily. Covers up the holes nicely there. Yeah, I never seen a white one before. That all looks good though. And the filter element, 109 grams. She has a metal crimp seam. And I counted a whopping 92 pleats. I think this is the most I ever counted on a filter, 92 pleats. Metal end caps with bypass valve down here. And the pleats are deep. You see this, pretty deep pleats. So there's got to be a lot of filter media here. You know, I couldn't find any information about this filter really, so what you see is what you get. But it feels kind of like paper. Could be some kind of synthetic blend. But the pleats are nicely spaced. Yeah, this is well made. Yep. It goes together like this. So that all looks good. And stamped leaf spring. You ever see a design like this? This is a cool design. 15 grams. Yeah, this is definitely unique. And the can weighs 97 grams. They got like a little overspray here on the sides. See that? But it's all nice and clean. And this is a thick can. Let's take a measurement. 55 millimeters. Yeah, 56 millimeters we'll call it. It's a nice size can. You feel it. It's sturdy. You can see I got the oil all over the place here. And the filter element, let's get some measurements on hers. So put that back. .84 inches. Yeah, see how deep these are? It's pretty deep. Well, I say we cut this baby open, stretch her out, see how long she is. Okay, here she is stretched out, and she's way over my table, so I had to cut her in half. So she's 70 inches long this way, so you just multiply that by 2, and it's actually 140 inches long. A lot of filter media for a relatively small filter. Okay, and here she is at the seam. And I cut a little sample here, get a measurement. .59 millimeters thick. And you got a lot of filter media here. Nice metal crimp seam. I wish I had some filtration numbers for you guys, but I couldn't find anything. But what I did find, let's look at the rest of the filter. As is the bypass valve here, has a setting of 14. And this is a silicone anti-drain bag valve. And I'll post it up here right now. I found this information on Rock Auto's website. So, base plate's nice. This is a unique design. Never seen one like that before. Got metal core with holes, metal end caps, can's thick. I'd say for the price, it's a nice filter. It's got a lot of filter media. I just wish it had some micron ratings for you. Otherwise, it looks like it'd be a pretty good filter. What do you guys think? Please post your comments down below. So I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The filter media weighs 22 grams.